Buenos días, Español Uno. ¿Cómo están? Hope your e-learning is going well this week, and hopefully after this crazy week, we'll be back in school tomorrow, but I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and walk you through our video for today. Today's e-learning will be due by midnight tonight, so you've got all day to do it. And also, as you'll note here on the calendar, from 1 to 1:30 today, I'm going to have some Zoom office hours. So if you're having some questions, if you're struggling with anything, if you need some help with anything, the link to log in is right down here where it says Zoom link and the password as well. So if you need to log in and touch base, or just to pop in and say hello, you can log in anytime between 1 and 1:30. If that time doesn't work, let me know. We'll find a different time if you have some questions over anything that we've been doing. Today, once you view the short video from Senor, you're going to click on this link to enter into a Kahoot. It's going to ask for your name, so enter your first name, underscore, and your class name, or your class number. So, for example, if my name is Hugo in Spanish class, I'm going to enter Hugo underscore 1. You'll need to enter that information for attendance purposes. That way, when I get my report, I'll know who did what. So make sure you enter that information. There's also a short Quizlet to complete right down here below on step number 3. Afterward, we're going to spend some time working on gustar and encantar today. Yesterday, we took notes over gustar and encantar, and we practiced with those two verbs in class. The video is still posted above if you need to go back and check anything, but you can use your notes for this activity today. There's an activity in Canvas, a Canvas quiz over encantar, and I'm going to go through a couple of samples with you to get you started today. So once you open up it, you'll see the learning target at the very top. I can identify what I and others like to eat and drink. The instructions say read each partial idea and then complete the ideas with one, the appropriate indirect object pronoun. So you need a me, te, le, nos, or les, followed by the appropriate form of encantar. We're just going to use encantar today, that verb we learned yesterday that means to be enchanting, but really means in English to love. So you're going to use forms of encanta or encantan. So let's do a couple together here. It says al señor Peeper. The first box, we're missing an indirect object pronoun. So if it's al señor Peeper, do I need me, te, le, nos, or les? Well, hopefully you just said to yourself le, because that agrees with señor Peeper. Las bananas y las manzanas. So as you look over here, it's plural. So do we need encanta or encantan? Well, since it's plural, encantan. All right, and let's do another one together. Sammy y a Lucas Drake. Me, te, le, nos, os, or les. Hopefully you said les. Comer los macarrones con queso. So do we need encanta or encantan? Well, our key word to look at is comer. We have an infinitive here, and we learned yesterday that anytime we have an infinitive phrase, it's always singular, so hopefully you're saying to yourself, encanta. All right, so as you go through here, you're going to see some sample questions. You're going to fill in first the indirect object pronoun, me, te, le, nos, os, or les, followed by encanta or encantan. All right, once you finish with that, that is the majority of our e-learning today. Let me go back to our main calendar here and pull up any couple of last minute reminders. So again, everything is posted and ready to go. If you have any questions, please send me an email, or if you want to get onto Zoom between 1 and 1:30, the link is here. I'd be glad to answer any questions that you have and just touch base, say hello, and see how you're doing. E-learning work due by 11:59 on Thursday, and hopefully we'll see each other tomorrow. Adios.